अरे आपने तो फॉलो बटन पे क्लिक कर दिया है इस ऐप पे। तो अभी आप last2club.com वेबसाइट पे जाके हमारे पॉडकास्ट को भी सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। वेलकम टू द येट अनदर एक्साइटिंग एपिसोड ऑफ Last2 Club पॉडकास्ट। This is your host Vittal Mane, founder of Last2 Club, a wonderful human being at heart with humanity as my religion and one nation as my nationality. After successful coaching and training into personal growth, branding, YouTube channel, weekly newsletters, vlogs, now you can also hear me on our exclusive podcast channel too. On this podcast, from solo to interactive sessions, each episode aims to empower you and guide you with actionable strategies and tips for your personal growth and building your stronger inner world. Answer the question at the end of each episode, and you can also get a chance to win some exciting gifts. अरे कहीं बाहर जाने की तैयारी चल रही है क्या? Are you traveling somewhere tomorrow? My wife asked me while I was packing my business trip bag that day. Yeah, I'm traveling to Venice for one of the business meetings with one of my suppliers, I answered her. I was going through my checklist of essentials and reconfirming everything in my bag. While doing so, my 5-year-old daughter Anshi was helping me going through my checklist, and I was rechecking to ensure that whether I have taken all the warm clothings, all the meeting documents, some snacks to take care of my hunger, my visa, passport, air ticket, the minimum required local currency which I should be carrying, and everything was listed in the checklist, and I was just going through to re-ensure that everything is there. Me and my daughter completed the packing, and after that, when I was on a dinner table, Anshi asked me one wonderful question which was really a game changer in my life. So she asked me, Papa, you're so cautious about your business trip, and you have also listed all your essentials on your checklist, and you're reconfirming everything for this trip. I'm sure you must have prepared a similar checklist for your journey in your life, and I would like to know, where do you really plan to travel in your life journey? And I'm sure that checklist must be with you, and I would love to help you to ensure your backpack with that checklist also. Let me know when we can sit and do this checking for the similar bag which you must be carrying along with you. And this was a little surprising question for me, but at the same time, it really shook me because I did not had any answer to her for this question. I started introspecting myself and asked a lot of questions that sleepless night. In a journey called life, if I haven't decided where I'm traveling, then how can I carry my backpack? How can I decide what are those essentials which I should be carrying in that bag? Of course, I did completed all my academics, certifications which were required for my professional journey. But question was, am I adding right experience to my journey which matches with my destiny of my life? Or am I that a normal person who is just adding anything and everything which comes on the go in life, and I just going along with the path? Am I really going or traveling in a right direction which is going to take towards my destiny in my life? These and similar lot of questions I was asking myself that night. And now my question to you as a listener on this podcast is, do you have answers to all these questions for your journey called life? And if you have an answer, I'm so happy to see that you are much ahead in your life and you are actually going in a right direction, setting right benchmarks in your life. And if you don't have an answer, then stay along with me in this podcast till the end. And I'm sure this podcast will help you to set those right goals for your life journey and understand what is goal setting for your personal life. If you're listening to all my earlier episodes, then in my last episode I talked to you about investing your time wisely, where I have shared a story of Sukhiram and Dukhiram, where मुझे कहीं पर लगने लगा खुद को कि क्या मैं उसी दुखीराम की तरह मेरी इच्छाएं और आकांक्षाओं के पीछे एंडलेसली भाग तो नहीं रहा हूं. And I was very sure that I don't want it to be another Dukhiram. So in this podcast, I'm going to share why it is important for you to have clear goals, a clear destination in your personal life as well. And to make it easy for your understanding, I've divided this podcast in 3 segments, where in the first segment, I'll talk about what is exactly goal setting. We will define and understand what exactly is goal setting means. And then moving forward in the second segment, I will decode why personal goal setting is extremely important for your successful growth. And in the third and last segment, I will also brief you once you decide, yes, I really want to work on my personal goal setting, how can you really start and how can you do it. So stay till the end of this podcast, and I'm sure this will really help you to start working on your personal goal settings. So I'm sure you are excited to listen to this podcast till the end. So let's dive in and start with defining what is goal setting and understand what is exactly personal goal setting. So if I have to talk about life without goals, let us understand, yeah, कि आपके लाइफ में अगर गोल्स नहीं है, you don't have any personal goal or any personal aspiration, then this can represent like, imagine a soccer playground without goalpost. Imagine a cricket pitch without boundaries. Imagine आपके हाथ में GPS है और वो GPS पे डेस्टिनेशन नहीं डाला है. A GPS without destination. Or even imagine an organization without any annual appraisal or any annual goal settings for their employees. मजा आएगा ना ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करने के लिए. Can you request your existing employer also that you want to work without any annual goal setting and without any appraisal, without any review of your progress towards those goals? क्या ये पॉसिबल हो सकता है? क्या आप पूछ सकते हैं ये सवाल खुद को? And if you agree with me that you cannot work for others without setting goals and without having appraised, without having reviewed on your progress, then my question to you is, how can you do it with your own personal life? अगर हम दूसरों के लिए काम करते वक्त पर्टिकुलरली गोल सेट करते हैं, उसको रिव्यू करते हैं, then why not to do it for your own personal life? ये सवाल मैं चाहता हूं कि आप अपने आप को पूछिए. Let us understand in detail on what is exactly goal setting, as this term also widely used and there are a lot of myths around this term. And if I really have to define exactly what is goal setting is, it means developing an action plan to meet the desired results set in advance. And these desired results are nothing but your goals. And this is what exactly you do in wherever you are working for the organization. You set your goals annually and then you review them frequently, maybe 3 months or 6 months, and then annually. So the goal setting is a phase of a planning. It's a planning phase in your life where you need to prepare a draft blueprint of your long-term goals, short-term goals, and map out your journey, how you exactly plan to reach each of those destinations, each of those benchmarks, and how do you really plan to achieve them. So hope we are together as of now and you understand now the exact definition of goal setting. True? So you can now decide when you want to set your goals for your personal life and what is the frequency you want to set for yourself, where you will keep reviewing your progress towards your set benchmarks. If you haven't worked on your goal settings as of now, basically for your personal goals, then I highly recommend that do it now, do it today itself after listening to this podcast, and start setting up that frequency of review of your own progress so that you review it and make those necessary corrections, learning from lessons what you're learning in your journey, and so that I want you to move ahead progressively towards those benchmarks and the goals what you set for your own personal life. And if I have to summarize from whatever I have shared with you here on the goal setting, then goal setting means a business working towards meeting predefined profit margin in a year. Correct? That's what we do in our professional career wherever we are working for. A goal setting means you planning for your own study results. Maybe you are doing engineering, doctorate, or any other program, whatever you are studying in. Goal setting also means planning for what results are you really focusing towards the end of your study. Goal setting also means working towards getting a good job in your desired organization in your professional journey. Goal setting also means following a diet plan and exercise so as to meet your desired body weight and shape. Goal setting also means working on savings, working on your investments so that you meet your financial freedom. Goal setting also means planning your career goals, where you want to grow in your professional life. And I'm sure from these examples, you will agree with me that even if you are telling yourself that you really don't know goal setting, but unconsciously you are doing goal settings in your life for some or other segment in your life, and you are already doing it unknowingly, maybe. But what I want you to learn from this podcast is, now onwards, I want you to consciously take action on setting those goals and understanding the importance of having that benchmark in your journey, and so that it brings your clear focus and makes your journey focus towards your aspirations. So I'm sure you have understood the planning phase of your life, where you need to set your goals with the action plan, with the desired results in advance, and start working on setting your goals for your personal life. Correct? Now we are moving towards the second segment of this podcast. That is, I'm going to decode why goal setting. Is it really important? Because you might have heard many times from many of the sources where people are talking about you don't really need to set your goals. The life itself is a journey which actually takes you along, and it makes sure that you achieve what you really desire. And even somewhere you might have heard that annual resolutions set करने की कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. You don't really need to set any resolution. Don't make any resolutions. So when I'm talking on goal setting in this podcast, let us understand why this is important. And to all of them who are thinking that goal setting is a myth and it is really not required, my question to them is, if you cannot even travel without deciding a destination in your mind, if you cannot play soccer without goalpost, if you cannot even work for someone else without being part of their planning of the goals and review, then how can you really walk the path of your own life without deciding the destination where you want to reach? What is that destination you want to mark on that GPS of life so that it will show you the right path, right directions, how you can really reach in the shortest distance to that destiny? If you cannot work for your own employer without setting annual goals and reviewing them through appraisals, maybe twice a year, then how can you live your own life without setting goals for your own journey? And that's a question you need to ask yourself. My question to you is, when did you last reviewed your own progress for your own personal life? चलो, you might feel that विट्ठल ने बहुत सारे सवाल पूछ लिए मुझे, and I really don't understand, and I don't have answers to all these questions. I'm sure if you're not the person who has really worked on your personal goal settings, then this is an example which I want to give you. Imagine एक वीकेंड है, एंड इस वीकेंड पे आपने डिसाइड किया कि मैं फैमिली को लेके बाहर घूमने जा रहा हूँ, एंड यू हैव टेकन आउट योर फैमिली, यू वेंट to your car, you started your car, you sat inside the car and took out the GPS, and now you're not adding any destination in your GPS, correct? And you started driving. Can you really drive your family without destination in your mind, correct? So you are not decided where you want to travel. Can you just start your car and go on the road and go in any direction wherever the road takes you? Or will you have to choose a destiny, decide along with your family? Maybe you have something in your mind that on this weekend I really want to take them to this destination, and drive that car towards that destination. Is it that right approach? तो अगर आप इवन अ शॉर्ट जर्नी ट्रैवल करते वक्त आपके पास डेस्टिनेशन बहुत ज़रूरी है, तो अगेन मेरा वापस वही सवाल है कि हाउ कैन यू ट्रैवल अ लाइफ जर्नी विदाउट डेस्टिनेशन? रिमेंबर दिस वन पावरफुल थॉट हियर which says that if you don't plan your life journey, then you will always remain as a part of someone else's life plan. And that's so true. Do you want to be one of like that for whole of your life? This is a question you need to ask yourself. Understand, things happen twice in this world. First in your mind, and second in reality. So when you want certain things in reality in your life, then those need to be very clearly printed in your mind itself. If it is not clear to yourself, then how can you expect in reality? How can even universe will help you to manifest your aspirations if you yourself are not clear about your destination? That's why you need to set your goals, you need to work on your personal goal settings and have your action plan to make them realize. Aspirations without dates and schedule are just like wishful thinking and will never get realized. और जैसे कहते हैं ना, डे ड्रीमिंग, दिन में सपने देखना. You need to have a clear picture, a clear goal, a clear schedule when you want to achieve, how you want to achieve whatever aspirations you are carrying for your personal life. I even myself, I remember that when I personally don't used to have my personal goals, I used to go with the flow, and sometimes some events happen in my life. I never really understood how to handle those events confidently and how to really react to them. And I used to stoop in front of the circumstances and I had to accept the results which were not acceptable to me or something which was against my self-respect. Because myself, I was not clear about my journey, I was not clear about my destination, and there was no way that I was able to handle that situation correctly. And I want to share one of the event in my life which really taught me a good lessons around understanding your personal growth, personal goal setting, and why this is really important. This was somewhere in month of July in 2013. ये तभी की बात है जब भी थोड़ा बहुत रिसेशन चल रहा था ऑयल एंड गैस इंडस्ट्री में, एंड बहुत सारे लोगों के जॉब्स भी जा रहे थे. And one fine day in the first half in the morning, when I was on my desk, one of my colleague came to me and he shared that with a very sad note and low energy, he said me, Vitthal, I have been fired from the job and told to leave, and today is my last day. He was completely shattered and did not know what to do and where to go. He was literally not ready to handle his financial situation, his personal and family commitments, and he started asking me for some references, if I can really give him some reference where he can find a job or a next assignment. He was a very good friend of mine, and I saw him working very hard in the office, and he was punctual, and there was nothing specific which I really can point out as a negative performance to fire him. Though as an organization, as a business owner, I also understand that there were no new project and there was no choice as a employer to let few of those employees leave, because organization could not accommodate them as a excess manpower who is coming out of the project which is already completed and there are no new projects. Even as a business owner, I may not criticize employer all the time for removing manpower, because it's a call which a business owner has to take based on the quantum what you have on the projects and how can you really manage this manpower. But here, when I'm talking about personal growth and personal goal setting, my question to you is, it is not those employees who are responsible for your personal life growth, your personal goals, but it is up to you, and you are the only person who is responsible for your personal growth and personal journey. You as an individual need to understand that meeting employees' project target is not the only goal which you should be carrying in your life. And that's what the mistake I have seen majority of the professionals do in their life. most of the time you'll agree with me that professionals who are working in offices, working for others, or even some of the business owners as well, they consider that the professional goals are the only goals and these are the only things which they should be doing in their life, and they forget about the rest of the aspects of life, and they don't focus on their real personal growth. And when such situation comes in life, it really shatters them away and left them with no clear understanding that what should be the next be they doing if they don't have a job, or if they really have to switch over from one aspect of life to another. And this happens only when you are really not working on your personal growth and your own personal journey, because you don't have clarity. True. So you must understand that you as a person who has different aspects in your life to take care, and it's not only about the professional journey. You have your personal life, family life, social life, health, financials. You have your own personal hobbies as well, and comprising all of these become your own personal journey. And it's not only just a professional career which completes you. Even you need to understand that your family depends on you. They trust you that you will take care of them, you will give them the best of the best lifestyle they deserve. And they did not ask you that it's only because of the job what you are doing, the profession what you are carrying, or the title what you are carrying. Correct? So that doesn't matter to them. What matters to them is you as a person, you as an individual. And when you really want to work on yourself, you need to have clear targets and clear goals for you as a person, and not as a individual who is working for something, or individual who is carrying some title for yourself in a job or in your professional career. Even apart from your family, look at yourself. खुद की तरफ भी देखो. आपके खुद के भी कुछ सपने हैं, आपके खुद के कुछ एस्पिरेशंस हैं, and you deserve that best of the best lifestyle, a complete freedom to live a life of your own choice, that wealth, that richness, that healthy lifestyle, and the success of your choice. Everything what you desire, that is what you deserve. And all of these, your dreams and aspirations, definitely can come true. Only thing is when you yourself are clear about them, how you want to achieve them and how you want to work on them. And you must understand that this is the only life which is given by God, which is gifted to you to work on yourself, and there is no second chance. Correct? So that is how it is very crucial for you to work on yourself, your personal growth, your personal goal setting, and work on your action plan to achieve what you really desire in your life. Unless and until you start working towards it, nothing going to come into real world. And if I have to really put into shoes of that friend, I think I would have reacted to that situation in the same manner he was reacting, because I was also not prepared. When I really learned from his mistake and the situation what he's going through, I started asking myself, and I really started working on my own personal growth and my own personal journey, taking action on my aspirations and on my goals. And that's where my journey of exploring my worth began in 2013. I remember I started planning my journey after learning from, of course, others' mistake, and as well as different personal growth programs which I attended, like NLP, life coaching, and I started working on my life. I designed my first vision board, I still remember, in the month of December 2013. I actually spent 4 to 5 days preparing my first vision board, placing all my dreams and aspirations in a right way when I want to achieve, how do I want to achieve. My question to you is, when are you planning to give time to yourself and sit and plan for your own life? I highly recommend, if you haven't done so far, with the motivation, whatever you get from this podcast, I want you to sit after listening to this podcast and start working on your personal goals today itself. And can you promise me that? And to make it further easy, I want you to listen to the last segment of this podcast where I'm going to brief you how can you really start working on your setting your personal goals. So setting your personal goals is not just आपने सोचा और just लिखना चालू कर दिया and then you can really work on it. As like you have learned how to set goals in an organization, in your personal life also, you need to learn some strategy. And there is a definite strategy to start working on your personal goal settings as well. And these were the strategies which were unknown to me when I was in front of my friend in 2013 and listening to his challenges. And when I really started going deep in this subject, I explored these strategies through learning through NLP, life coaching, and then I practically started implementing those strategies on my journey as well. And the learning out of those strategies is today part of my Last Stroke Club programs. And I'm so glad that as I'm recording this podcast today, as of now, I have already helped many professionals, helping them design their personal growth blueprint. I help them set their personal goals and start working on their own aspirations and dreams as well. And while you are listening to this podcast, अगर आप भी बहुत सीरियस है आपके पर्सनल ग्रोथ पे और आपके पर्सनल जर्नी पे, तो I am welcoming you to be part of Last Stroke Club community, and you can also be part of those learnings what I am coaching and helping professionals to go through their personal discovery. क्योंकि जब ये पर्सनल गोल सेट करना है तो फर्स्ट एस्पेक्ट comes in a strategy is understanding your personality. You must understand what kind of person you are, what kind of values and beliefs and thoughts you carry, and what really motivates you, what really demotivates you, what are your likings. And this is very crucial before even you start setting your personal goals. So in the first phase, you have to discover yourself and understand yourself better. And once you understand your personality, then in the second phase, you need to look at different segments of your own life. Because as I mentioned earlier in this podcast as well, you are not a person, or you becomes a complete person not just by your professional growth, but it has different segments like personal, professional, health, wealth, your spiritual journey, your social journey, your family and friends, and your financials. And these are some of the different aspects which are very essential when you start working on your personal goal settings. So you need to set your personal goals in all of these areas, and maybe some areas which are individually which are important for you. And once you understand yourself better, you understand your segments, then you can start writing your short-term and long-term goals. And while writing those short-term and long-term goals, there is a strategy to write those goals in a smart way. So SMART is a term which you might have used inside your offices or while you're setting up goals for your professional career as well. जब भी वो एनुअल अप्रेजल के वक्त गोल सेट करते थे, तभी शायद आपने ये स्मार्ट गोल सेटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी यूज भी की होगी. तो व्हाट इफ यू आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ दिस, then let me tell you what is exactly the SMART means. SMART stands for S for specific, you need to have a very specific goals. M stands for measurable. A stand for achievable. R from that SMART stands for realistic. And the T stands for time bound. And these are the 5 factors you should consider while you are writing your goals. And that is how exactly you should be writing your personal growth or personal goals as well. So hope we are together as of now and you really understood the importance of having personal goals set in advance so that you are really focused on your personal life as well. So as of now, I help you with a definition of goal setting, where I have told you that goal setting is a developing an action plan to meet the desired results set in advance, and these desired results are nothing but your personal goals. And then I gave you examples to understand better why goal setting is extremely important for your personal growth. And in the last segment, I have given you a strategy that how you can really work on your personal goal settings. And if you are really serious on your personal growth and your personal goal settings, because this I cannot really cover in a podcast of 30 minutes or 1 hour, because this itself is a 90-day challenge program inside Last Stroke Club community. If you really want to learn and work on your personal life goals, design a blueprint of your own journey, then do join us at Last Stroke Club's Reclaim Your Life program, where I share exact blueprint which even I followed in my life after learning from different personal growth programs like NLP, life coaching. And this program has already helped many professionals from different backgrounds in their life journey. You can go on laststrokeclub.com website and you can listen to their testimonies which are there on the homepage itself. You are most welcome to join our community at Last Stroke Club and be part of this awesome, inspiring community who are really constantly putting efforts for their better life. And when you really have such kind of association, it makes your life easy to work on your own personal growth as well. I'm sure this podcast has already helped you understand the importance of personal goal settings, and it has really motivated you to start working on your personal goals as well. तो अगर आपको इसका इम्पोर्टेंस पता चला एंड यू आर रियली सीरियस ऑन योर पर्सनल गोल्स, देन आज और अभी और इसी वक्त, अभी जैसे ही ये पॉडकास्ट ख़त्म होता है, I want you to start working on your draft and setting those personal goals, and drop me your queries, drop me your questions on my email or on our website at laststrokeclub.com, and I'll be happy to respond to you and help you go through your own personal growth journey as well. So अभी टाइम आ चुका है इस पॉडकास्ट में जहाँ पर I'll be asking you a question for this podcast episode, and I want you to answer this question, where I want to know what is that one goal you set for your own personal life after listening to this podcast. And this will really help me understand if I could really help you motivate and take action on your personal growth. Drop your response on our website at laststrokeclub.com on this episode, and I'll pick the most exciting response at random to announce the winner on our next podcast. I'll keep announcing the winner on the following week's podcast after I start receiving responses. आपको हमारा ये एपिसोड कैसा लगा ज़रूर बताइए. Go to lastroclub.com and drop your feedback there. Before I leave, as I always say, let's create a beautiful legacy of a great mankind with only religion as a humanity and single nation with no boundaries. Signing off for now, this is your host, Vittal Mane. We'll talk to you next week with fresh and high vibrating thoughts. Until then, take care, stay safe and healthy, and do keep listening to Lastro Club.